Welcome to Fab-Rite Services Fabrication Division, where precision meets innovation. Our fabrication capabilities extend to a wide range of metals, including steel, aluminum, and stainless steel, ensuring versatility and strength for all projects.
We provide custom fabrication for mechanical equipment, from conveyors and sorters to fully assembled motor and pump bases. Our team has the experience and knowledge to design, manufacture, and install the equipment tailored to your needs.
We take pride in our ability to create high-quality mechanical equipment that meet the exact requirements of our clients.
Our piping services include prefabrication, installation, and repair of pressure piping systems. We handle both carbon and stainless steel pipes, adhering to the highest standards.
Our pressure pipe welders are certified, ensuring that every weld is perfect. We also conduct thorough testing to meet all non-destructive examination requirements.
Project management is at the core of our services. We ensure every project is completed safely, on time, and within budget.
Every day brings new challenges, and we're always looking to innovate and find the best solutions for our clients.
Fab-Rite Services, your trusted partner for quality fabrication. Let's build the future together.